Samsung soundbars for 2022, bit of a beastly one. It's the Q800B. So big bar. I think you can buy the rear speaker kit to attach to it, but for now I've just got the bar and the subwoofer that's included. We'll get dimensions along the way, so check the description for timestamps, etc., and you can skip through it at your own will. So the subwoofer, instruction book and remote pack, also wall brackets, there's the bar itself. Nice big heavy bar. That's a quick look at the front of that bar. Looking at the sound bar up from above, we can see it's got the nice shiny grille. I think it's metal. Yeah, it is metal. See some upward firing speakers there. It quotes true 5.1.2 channels, so 5 forward facing speakers, 2 upward firing being the 0.2, and the 0.1 is the subwoofer, so wireless Dolby Atmos, part of the Q Symphony range. Again, we can see it from the front there. We can just see a couple of speakers, and there will be more at the sides as well. Then from the bottom, we can see there where our wall brackets attach. Look at the link, how to mount a Samsung soundbar. Applies to this soundbar and other ones. Attach your brackets there. Parts on the wall for your brackets to hook onto, hook it on, template, all that is included as in the accessory pack, but have a look at the video if you need help mounting one. Mains input into there. We've got here, you can see there, we've got digital optical audio in, HDMI feed through, so you could feed through a Blu-ray player and then back to your TV. But that is how I would normally connect mine, which is ARC or Enhanced Audio Return Channel in this case. So ARC on your TV to the ARC port there. That should be it, that and your mains to get it all up and working. So we've got those rubber feet on the bottom as well, so it doesn't mark whichever surface it's on. So this is me holding it up vertical there, so we can see the side speakers through that grille there. Onto the subwoofer itself. There was a pallet strap on there, but I've cut it off camera by mistake. Okay, so that's looking at the front, top, and the back there. Nice large bass port. I'll just zoom in. You can also see our figure 8 mains input there. Link light, so it'll flash blue when it's looking for the bar. It turns solid blue once it's connected. It will go to standby when the bar is off. ID set, so if it loses power into the sub, we can use the ID set procedure to repair it back to the bar. So that's looking at the side of it there, so probably about an 8-inch subwoofer in that. Get the dimensions while it's here. The height of the thing when it's stood up, 40 centimeters or 15 3/4 inches. Depth of it, 40 centimeters again and 15 3/4 inches. From the top down, we're about 20 centimeters to the edge of the box. If I go to the edge of that speaker grill there, 21 centimeters. So just over 7 3/4 there. To the edge of the speaker, which does count really, is 8.5 inches. Dimensions at the widest point, 111 centimeters or 43 3/4 inches. Depth of it, just under 12 centimeters or 4 3/4 inches. Height wise, just under 6 centimeters and just over 2 1/4 inches. Onto the remote control and accessories pack. Have a look. So first of all, we've got the wall mount brackets. Again, look at the video in the link somewhere. I've done a video already how to do that. It's pretty universal. All the soundbars I come across are pretty much the same. You've got 2 metal brackets there that attach to the bottom of the soundbar. You attach a little circular part to the wall. This will then hook on it with a bar mounted to it, and they do look quite good as well when they're done. 2 UK figure 8 mains leads with right angled inputs there for the bar and the subwoofer. AAA batteries for the remote control, which is here, and a bit of extra foam padding there for the bottom of it. So you can add that foam padding to the bottom just for a bit of extra protection on whatever table or so on it's going on. Looking at that soundbar remote close up, power on and off, source or input button, pair button, we've got play pause there and we can skip forwards and backwards through tracks or rewind and fast forward. Mute button, sound mode, so press that, each time you press it, it will cycle through the sound modes. Info button, volume can rock up and down there, and also we can just quickly access the woofer and rock up and down there. Can also adjust those channel levels and go to the settings, or we can do the tone control for bass and treble as well. Flip it over, you push down quite hard there, the back slides off, AAA batteries into the back. Will point out as well, does say soundbar on it. Sounds obvious to say it, but if you've got a TV remote and that soundbar remote, they will look similar, so it will help a lot of my customers out when they look at it, and they'll know which remote's which without hammering all the buttons. Soundbar's now on the table, ready to be connected up. If I look underneath there, you can see I've got the mains input here, my ARC there, figure 8 mains in there. The other end of this HDMI cable is plugged into the HDMI ARC socket on the TV. I'm just going to pop that into the ARC here as well. My other figure 8 mains lead into the back of my subwoofer, like so. Okay, turn the soundbar on. And the blue light should stop blinking while it pairs. That's now paired automatically to the bar via Bluetooth. We can put that anywhere, it just needs that mains cord in there. Now turn the TV on, we should get a message on the screen saying Dolby Atmos enabled device connected. The bar should turn to TV ARC for its sound source.
Temperatures on the low side 10 to 15 degrees.
Okay, so we'll just try normal speech on the news or weather.
Across the south, giving some sunshine. Now for the weekend, it looks like high pressure will dominate, so it'll be mostly dry, particularly on more cloud around generally on Sunday, probably the best of the sunshine, Northern Ireland, western fringes of Wales and southwest England. Here the best temperatures once again, but it will be a little bit cooler further north and east, but generally cooler across the board. So that's how it's looking for the weekend. Into next week, there remain...
Tonight at 10, a highly critical report into lockdown parties at number 10. Boris Johnson says he will not resign.
Do you stand by everything you've told MPs before?
He and top officials are accused of repeated failures of leadership and behaviour that falls well short of the highest standards expected. The long-awaited report by a senior civil servant says many of the gatherings should not have been allowed and that staff who raised concerns were not treated with respect.
Sue Gray's report.
Okay, enough of that cloud. Going to try some music. game. Standard. Adaptive should adapt to the content you're using. Hear the optimum sound levels. Once again, I'll say credit to Ubisoft for this next game trailer, or next gen game trailer. Pretty cool. It's just come back out of there to live TV. So credit again to Ubisoft for that. It's their content. Just wanted to use it as a test demo. Back to the news.
That prevailed in Downing Street, allowing drinking till the early hours and a sense of getting away with it, which was expressed in one message.
For example, a gathering took place.
Okay, all in all, pretty cool soundbar. It's loud and it's powerful. It's also nice and clear on dialogue and speech. Sounds good on music. Does give you that sort of spatial surround effect as well with those upward firing speakers. Might be a bit annoying if you've got neighbours on the wall next to you, but you can turn the bass and the subwoofer down. Width wise, it's about the same width as a 50-inch TV, so 50-inch and above TV and you're good to go. I'll put a link in the description for price and so on. The Q800B soundbar, decent, powerful soundbar. Hope I'm not annoying my mate in the flat above too much. All in all, decent bit of kit. Good